So last night I was photographing a wedding with the Q2 and the flash mounted on it, the open dancing part of the reception. Towards the end of the night, I started to notice that the flash was kind of like shaking a little bit, like wobbling back and forth. Just kind of powered through the night, hoping for the best. Got home, tried to look online for anything that could help me figure out what this problem might be caused by. All of the Leica forums were empty. It was basically just turning up short everywhere I looked. It was made by a human, it's serviceable by a human. Let's figure out how to fix this problem. It's gotta just be a mount in the hot shoe that's kind of loose, like if there's screws or something holding it down. It's gonna be kind of the same for any camera with this like standard looking hot shoe. My old Canons used to have the same hot shoe too, so procedure is going to be probably the same. Anyways, let's get into how to fix it. All right guys, so here we are with the Q2. Basically the way this works, there is a metal plate here that it's hiding 4 screws, and we're just going to pop off this metal plate. Stick a screwdriver into here. You can see where I was prying at it last night at the wedding with my pocket knife. Basically, just pop that off like that. There we go, just like that. And now you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws there. This one, and this one were pretty loose, letting this whole hot shoe mount wobble back and forth. Take our screwdriver and give it a little snug up like this. That's it, all fastened. Once we're done, just go ahead and pop this back on. That just latches down like that. Now you can all right, so hopefully that's helpful. You can see now it's rock solid, it's not going anywhere. And yeah, it feels really good. It feels really good anytime you think that you're gonna have to send something in for repair and you can do it yourself. It takes about 15 minutes with the right tools. Speaking of tools, so these were the screwdrivers that I used. Oh man, I hate doing this influencer thingy. There we go. These are the screwdrivers I use. The brand is Wiha, German screwdrivers for German cameras, I guess. The flathead is just like a small flathead screwdriver that you might use for working on eyeglasses. And the Phillips is just a Phillips 000, which is basically just a really small Phillips. I'll put a link in the description below if you do want to take a look at these and pick them up. They're super, super high quality screwdrivers, and if you're going to be working on a $5,000 camera, maybe spend 20 bucks on some good screwdrivers and not those cheese eyeglass ones that you see at Walgreens. Anyways, I hope this helps. I know it's like a really niche issue, but yeah, like I said, the internet turned up nothing for me when I went looking for a solution. So hopefully this helped even one of you. All right, see ya.